Hi guys! Have you ever heard of a food called warabimochi? With a texture somewhere between mochi and jelly, it is one of the traditional Japanese desserts. Although it is called mochi, warabimochi is not made from glutinous rice. I will show you how to make warabimochi using this tapioca flour. Heat over medium heat. What is Kuromitsu? A syrup made of kokuto, unrefined brown sugar, and water. If you have access to unrefined brown sugar like in Japan, you can make it with unrefined brown sugar and water. However, it may be difficult to unrefined brown sugar like that sold in Japan overseas. In the country where I live, brown sugar is available, but not the unrefined brown sugar that is sold in Japan. Brown sugar and water alone won't give you the same depth of flavor as Kuromitsu. After a lot of trial and error, I tried making it with molasses, and it turned out to have the original rich taste of Kuromitsu. The bitterness and the natural aroma that are removed during the refining process of brown sugar can be compensated by adding molasses. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes. The Kuromitsu is ready when it has boiled down to the point where it bubbles up when you stir it. Spread them out evenly. Prepare 2 of these. Mix well. Point! Mix well before heating to prevent clumpy from forming. Heat over medium heat. Stir while heating. What is warabimochi? Originally, it is a mochi-like sweets made from bracken flour, which is refined from the starch of the bracken plant. However, since bracken flour is produced in small quantities and is very expensive, most warabimochi are made by substituting bracken flour with other starches. Real warabimochi made from bracken flour are black in color. Keep stirring quickly as the mixture will easily burn when it starts to coagulate. Why is it called mochi if it is not made with glutinous rice? In Japanese, the name mochi refers to a food with a chewy texture. However, it refers to starch-based foods, not flour-based foods. There is a similar word, mochi-mochi. It is used to describe a mochi-like texture. It is ready when it becomes completely transparent like this. Cover with plastic wrap and let cool at room temperature for about 10 minutes, making sure the surface does not dry out. Sprinkle the soybean flour evenly over the warabimochi, then tear it into bite-sized pieces with your hands. You can refrigerate it before eating, but be careful not to refrigerate it for a long time, as it will become hard. Pour Kuromitsu over it and you're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.